What's up everybody, it's Efficiency Academy and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the future of content creation AI video generation. Specifically, we're going to be looking at the top 5 free AI video tools that can help you step up your video game without spending a dime. That's right, completely free. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these tools are here to make your life easier and your videos even more engaging. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's unlock the power of AI video creation together. First up, we have Deepbrain AI. Now, this tool is all about breaking down language barriers with its impressive ability to create videos in over 80 languages. You heard that right? 80. So, whether you're targeting a global audience or just want to experiment with different languages, Deepbrain has got you covered. But it's not just about the languages. Deepbrain also boasts a library of incredibly realistic AI presenters. We're talking about avatars that look and sound like real people, adding a level of professionalism and personality to your videos that's hard to beat. And the best part? You get a surprising amount of control over the customization. You can tweak everything from the presenter's appearance, their clothes, their background, even their subtle mannerisms. It's really impressive. Now, the free plan does have a limit on video length, but it's a great way to test the waters and see the magic of Deepbrain firsthand. Next up is Speechify, and this one's all about simplicity and ease of use. If you're all about that seamless workflow, Speechify is your new best friend. The interface is super intuitive, letting you transform your written content into engaging videos with just a few clicks. And just like Deepbrain, Speechify offers a solid selection of AI presenters and avatars to bring your words to life. You can choose the perfect voice and style to match your brand and message, making your videos even more impactful. But Speechify doesn't stop there. They also let you add music and sound effects directly within the platform. This means you can create a complete audio-visual experience without ever leaving the Speechify ecosystem. Now, the free plan does come with limitations on video length and includes a watermark, but it's still an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of AI video creation without the steep learning curve. Moving on to Pictory, and this one's all about visuals. If you're someone who loves to tell stories through stunning imagery, Pictory is going to blow your mind. Pictory takes a unique approach by letting you transform your existing content, whether it's a blog post, an article, or even your social media captions, into captivating videos. It's like magic, but with less smoke and mirrors. And the best part is, you don't need a degree in video editing to make it happen. Pictory offers a variety of styles and templates to choose from, so you can find the perfect look and feel for your video. Need to add some narration? No problem. Pictory lets you do that too, giving you complete control over the audio-visual experience. Plus, you've got options for different video formats, so you can optimize your content for any platform. Just like the others, the free plan has limitations on video length and watermarks, but it's still an incredible value for the features you get. Now let's talk about InVideo. This one's for all the creators out there who love to get hands-on and build things from the ground up. InVideo gives you the power to create professional-looking videos with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. Whether you're starting with a blank canvas or choosing from their vast library of templates, InVideo makes the entire process smooth and surprisingly fun. But here's where InVideo really shines: its personalization options. We're talking about fine-tuning every little detail to match your vision. You can add text, images, video clips, music, and even voiceovers with just a few clicks. It's like having a full-fledged video editing studio right at your fingertips, but without the complexity. Of course, the free plan has some limitations on video length and watermarks, but it's still an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to unleash their inner video editing wizard. Last but not least, we have Vidzy AI, and this one's a game changer for budget-conscious creators. Why? Because Vidzy AI offers unlimited video creation completely free. You heard that right, unlimited. Now I know what you're thinking. Unlimited videos for free? There's gotta be a catch. And yeah, there are some limitations, but honestly, they're not deal breakers. Vidzy AI gives you access to a vast library of AI avatars and voices, so you can find the perfect combination to represent your brand. You can also add music and sound effects to enhance your videos and create a more immersive experience. The main limitations of the free plan are on the customization front. You don't get as much control over the finer details compared to the other tools on this list, and there is a watermark. But for unlimited video creation without spending a dime, Vidzi AI is an absolute steal. It's perfect for churning out content, testing ideas, and seeing what works best for your audience. So, there you have it. The top 5 free AI video tools of 2024 that are about to revolutionize the way you create content. Whether you're looking to simplify your workflow, experiment with different video styles, or just save time and money, there's a tool on this list for you. AI video generation is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, it's accessible, and it's ready to empower creators of all levels. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there, try these tools, and unlock your full creative potential.